But hey guys, it's me Leonie and today I'm going to be doing a slime picture. But before we get started, make sure you do smash that subscribe button, turn your post notification bell, that way you never miss another video like this one, and thumbs up to come past the Leonie's World Squad. So now, let's run to the video. So I was just checking out that. And I got this note and it says, thank you for buying my slime. I bought crunchy slime for £3. I bought fluffy slime for £3. And I bought holographic glitter slime for £3. And extras I got 7 nail polishes, 3 different glitters. I got some stickers to make like sticker slime or something. And then I got a nail filer. I think the nail filer is the weirdest one out of all of it. But yeah, that's the writing. It's kind of scruffy. So let's start with the crunchy slime, I guess. And look at the pack. I took it out of the box anyways. That's crunchy. That's holographic. There's holographic glitter slime, and that is fluffy. I keep on putting it on. So let's take out this. That is that.
Oh, you went well on the plate. Oh, yeah. The chicken were nice, weren't they?
Oh my gosh. This is the crunchiest slime. Like, even if you stretch it, you can hear stretch, like, clicky there. Leaving. I like this sound. That's why I was looking. Like, this is so crunchy. I am in love with it. I love crunchy slimes. I really like it.
The winner? Yeah.
It might be the winner. I really like the crunchy.
Slimy.
This is crunchy slime. She hates me buying slime. Oh, and also I got this as well. It just says in red, thank you. Like, it's really good slime. Just like, and they left a phone number on the back of this, and that's so good. Just in case I need to call them. I don't know which slime factory it is or something. But let's test the pokiness now. Pokiness is so good. I really like the pokiness. Stretchiness is good. It's definitely crunchy. I can only see the crunchiness when I stretch it. That's okay. I still like it.
I didn't want that black.
Are you the winner? Do you know? I know he's gonna be the winner. I love this slime, guys. It's like, oh my gosh. I'm like so, oh my gosh, I'm so in love. Yeah. So guys, it's amazing, this guys. It's like one of the best slimes I've ever seen in my life. Best crunchy slime any. Oh my gosh, I'm so yeah, the pokiness is good. You guys know about the pokiness. You guys know about the stretchiness. You guys know about the folding. You guys know about the crunchiness. It's just like perfect. Crunchy sound. Now let's check out the hologram. They give you like small batches, then little batches. The crunchy slime is the littlest batch. I might add some of this glitter to it and add some more of this. This is supposed to be. Oh, they added these two glitters into the crunchy slime, and then they added these glitter. This holographic glitter.
I'll just show you.
And this slime. I'm gonna add it. I feel like adding a bit of blue and pink, but that wouldn't make it holographic slime. Pokiness, great. Stretchiness, great. Folding, great. And crunchy is great. Now let's put it back in its tub. And obviously the last but not least is the crunchy slime. I mean the fluffy slime. This slime is, and they are all the same colour, so I think they left me the nail polishes to try and, well, nail varnishes, try and change the colour. Look guys, obviously fluffy slime is gonna be pokey. If not, then it kinda, I'm gonna say, it's a fluffy slime. This slime package is kind of good and kind of bad. I think it's bad because they left me like a load of like rubbish extras. Like I like the glitter, but they left me like, and I like the nail polish. They left me 2 rubbish extras, and they didn't give me like very big batches. This how big the teeth. This how big the fluffy batch. This how big the fluffy slime batches. That big. This how big that batch is.
Don't make it on your glasses, saying all over it.
There's some plastic. This is how big the holographic slime is, and then this is how small the crunchy slime is. Look guys, let's cut it. Wrong tub. I like the packaging too. Oh my god, this one. So yeah. I'm gonna go and get my phone from upstairs and call the girl. I think, it's a girl. They kind of put the phone number in the back of it. I'm not gonna show you guys that. It's kind of different. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. I'm actually gonna play with the slime on the way upstairs going home. So bye. So guys, I got my phone. I'm gonna okay, I'm hello. Yeah. Your slime was good and it was bad. It's kind of rough. How was that bad? It was really bad. The extras were like so bad. Like anyway. Sorry about that, guys.
The board is now frozen.
I'll see you guys. Okay, I'm talking to my blog. So yeah, guys, I'll see you.
There is the blue dress and that and the board off.
Yeah, so
Nice then, and the mother.
look at me like the worst extras.
You know how many chops Cameron has?
Okay,
5.
see you guys
Please take.
See you later.
Chinese chops, he had 5. He's ate them, yeah.
Really hard on me. But anyway, she was like,
Hey, now we're having this.
I'm having a munchie bar.
Now we're not bothering tonight.
Shut.
You sure?
I've just said I'll do you some things. Hang on.
Yeah.
Shit.
No, it's a long bit.
You got your sweat on.
So yeah,
It's
guys.
warm, isn't it? Must be warm outside.
Guys, it is all day. I really didn't get it right. Okay, it was just a little skit that I thought I'd do. So yeah, see you guys later. Bye.